First you want to do is open Adobe Bridge and then Adobe Photoshop. After you've done that, drag your photo that you want into the box placed right there. I've already finished my project, so this is the final results. What you can do in Photoshop is you can use a series of brushes to do certain effects. First, you want to take the eyedropper tool, select the color on the part that you want to color around, switch it, and then use a brush around it to get the same color, just like this. Doesn't matter what you do, just do it in your liking. Then, you want to come over to any part that you are trying to get rid of, use the patch tool, and make a square. Then you select the arrow tool, and try to drag it, but you can't. See? It could not move because the space the selected area is empty. The tool over here is your brush tool. There are many types there's a pencil tool, a pen tool, and your brush tool. Over here you can use different kind of strokes, and over here is different kind of brushes that you can use. This is the redo tool, the history tool. If you don't like what you've done, just click it and you can erase anything and it'll bring it back to normal from the first time you laid your brush on it. Alright, first you want to open the photo that you want to do. See, this is my photo from before without all the brush marks and everything else. Then you want to grab the patch tool. And this you can do, make a square, click the arrow tool, and drag. But look, I have a different color underneath. The reason for that is because in the corner where you select your colors, I have her skin color, which, as you can see, when I drag it away, it's the same color as the colors that are down here. Now what I can do is I can go back, select the color, go back to white like it is, or should be. I'll do it on both. Then, try again. As you can see, it's now white, and that's what you do. In my project, I used Photoshop CS6 to alternate a picture that I took of my friend. My goal was to learn how to use Photoshop CS6 and how to use the tools within the application. I learned to pick a project and stick with it because at first, this isn't my original project that I was going to do. At first, I wanted to learn how to code, but I wasn't focused enough and I lost interest in coding. Within the application, I learned how to use the tools and use the paintbrush tool to alter the picture in Photoshop and learn how to make the shatter effect or fading away effect.